Good morning, students. Today we will learn about the chapter number 4, that is subject and predicate. Now open your book at page number 12. Before start reading the chapter, we have to know what is a subject and what is a predicate. Students, look, subject and predicate. A complete sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. Subject and predicate. Subject is the noun or naming part. Predicate is the telling part. So, a sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. Subject is the noun or naming part. Predicate is the telling part. Now, what is called a subject? Subject tells who or what the sentence about. And what is the predicate? Predicate tells what the subject is or is doing. Examples: the boy is playing football. Here, question this sentence with who. Who is playing football? Answer: the boy is playing football. So, this sentence is telling about this boy. So, the boy is the subject. What the subject is doing? The subject is playing football. So, this part is predicate as it tells about the subject. So, this part is predicate as it tells about the subject. What the subject is doing? The subject is playing football. So, this is predicate. Remember, predicate always start with the verb. Always begins this part with the verb. The verb is playing. So, it always starts with the verb. Now come to this sentence. Read the sentence. The man is old. Who is old? The man. This sentence is about the man. Okay. So, this is the subject of this sentence. And what is the predicate? Is old is the predicate of this sentence. What is the verb of this sentence? Is the verb of this sentence. Come to the book page number 12. Look at the picture. Read the following sentence carefully. Children play. Who play? Children play. This sentence about children. So, children is the subject. As the subject is children, what do the subject do here? The subject play here. So, play is the predicate of this sentence. Cows eat grass. Who eats grass? Cows. So, cows is the subject. What do the cows? Cows eat grass. Eat grass is the predicate. Remember, predicate always start with the verb. Here in this sentence, verb is eat. Anil is reading. Who is reading? Anil. Anil is the subject of this sentence. As Anil is the subject of this sentence, so what Anil is doing? Anil is reading. Is reading is the predicate of this sentence, and the verb is. Birds fly in the air. Who fly in the air? Birds. In this sentence, birds is the subject. What do the subject do? The subject fly in the air. So, fly in the air is predicate. Fly is the verb. This predicate also start with this verb. Fly in the air is predicate. Suresh is drinking milk. Who is drinking milk? Suresh. Suresh is the subject. What is Suresh doing? Suresh is drinking milk. Is drinking milk. Predicate. This predicate is start with the verb is. Is drinking milk. Predicate. The train runs on rails. What runs on rail? Train. The train is the subject of this sentence. What does the train do? The train runs on the rail. So runs on the rail is predicate. Runs is the verb. Predicate always start with the verb. So runs on rails is the predicate of this sentence. Start reading with me. In sentence 1, we speak about children. In sentence 2, we speak about cows. In sentence 3, we speak about Anil. In sentence 4, we speak about birds. In sentence 5, we speak about Suresh. In sentence 6, we speak about the train. In a sentence, the person or thing we speak about is called the subject. These subjects are about this sentence. Okay, so these are the subject of this sentence. Okay, these are the subject. Now find out what is said about subject in each of these above sentence. In sentence 1, we say about the subject children that they play. They play. In sentence 2, we say about the subject cows that they eat grass. In sentence 3, we say about the subject Anil that he is reading. In sentence 4, we say about the subject birds that they fly in the air. In sentence 5, we say about the subject Suresh that he is drinking milk. In sentence 6, we say about the subject the train that it runs on rails. What is said about the subject is predicate. Okay, these are the predicates of this given sentence. Students, look, this is your homework for today. Students, you have to do this homework like this. Follow this and practice this more and more. Hope you got this topic very well. If you have any problem, you can call me. See you in the next class.